and the time spent on the e-resource is more when you compare to amount spent on a print resource, to promote efficient delivery of information economically to all the users. So these are the things what we discussed now. Okay, and can you name some of the e-resource which is available now? For example, e-journals is available. So like that, what are the different types of e-resources are available? Sorry? E-magazines, e-books, e-magazines, e-books, e-newspapers, e-journals. Research papers will come in e-journals. Okay. So basically, there are different types of many types of e-resources. One is e-books. So all the books are been in the physical copy, which has been converted into electronic format. That is e-books, and journals, newspapers, magazines, and also there is a term called indexing and abstracting databases. Okay. So databases like Scopus, Web of Science, those are called indexing and abstracting databases, which will be having all the indexing and abstracting details into it. All the citations, what is the author name, what is the co-author, so affiliation. So those kind of things will be available in Scopus, Web of Science. Those are called indexing and abstracting databases. And full text database. Full text database are nothing but if you take a Scopus database, if you have a particular subscription to the particular journal, you can able to download all the journals in full text. But if you don't have access to that, you can able to view only the abstract of a particular journal. Okay. So those are difference between indexing, abstracting, and full text databases. And also you have some reference databases as well. So reference database are nothing but dictionaries, almanacs, encyclopedias, which are available in internet in electronic format. So basically you can find the dictionaries, encyclopedias in physical format in library. So those are also available in electronic format. That is called reference databases. And also we have some statistical database. So those are doing research in statistical oriented things. They can also access these statistical databases where they can able to find the statistical information from those databases. Similarly, we have image collection, multimedia product, and also you might be heard about e-Shodh Sindhu and e-Shodh Ganga. Okay. So in both of the things we will be having theses and dissertations which will be in electronic format, and these dissertation and theses are published by research scholars and master degree students from those are graduated from India. Okay. So those kind of theses and dissertations you can able to find in electronic format. And also something is called e-patents and e-clippings, e-newspapers, e-standards, those things are also available in e-formats. So these are the basic introduction about e-resources, and up to this if you have any queries you can please raise, or we can just go for the practical session on e-resource. So I think most of your systems are on. You can internet is available, right? Yes. Okay. So just open your Google browser. So most of you, all of you are having this, you can use some other system. If it is not working, you can use some other system which is working. So all of you have access to this Delhi University e-library access, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So please go to the Delhi University e-library. If in Google, if you type du.elibrary.in, PG DADLM. Bachelor's or master's? Bachelor's is there. Go straight and take right. So this practical class will be like more of interactive sessions. Okay, it's not like a online class where you are physically present here. So if you have any queries or any doubts, you can please raise your hand or you can call me at any time. So I think most all of you have just opened this DU library.
सर आप पीपीटी चलाएंगे ना?
No, over. PPT over.
नो पीपीटी?
No PPT. Only practical file.
अरे सर यूट्यूब पे क्या सिलेक्ट नहीं, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि अब इन्होंने बोला है, पहले जो वो है विंडो जो है ना, वो जो भी खुलती है
PG DADLM, PG DADLM,
आप देखो जस्ट, हाँ हाँ आप देखो,
BLib, BLib is there that side. हाँ
हाँ मैं ठीक है ना, यूट्यूब पे क्या है एंड स्ट्रीम दिखा रहा है, तो उसको मैं मिनिमाइज़ कर दूँ। सर यूट्यूब का स्क्रीन को मिनिमाइज़ कर दीजिए और जो पीपीटी अगर आपको चलाना है तो
PPT over. I want to share my screen.
अच्छा वो स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहे हैं, यानी कि वो जो जिस कंप्यूटर से लाइव हो रहा है ना उसी पे ही वो चला रहे हैं, तो वो अब करेंगे। हाँ
So internet is working.
So you're not able to log in on this system.
Please use some other system. Yeah. No, in just in Google, you type DU e-library.
Okay.
No, it's not this. Okay. So in your Google, no, internet is not working. You please change some other system. So you should get this page. You can see, I'll just log. This screen I don't project here. Okay, no problem. Where internet is working. Yes. The left side, DUE library. Down. Yeah. So you might be seeing this is the home page of DUE library. Okay.
So do we need to log in?
Yes, log in with your credentials. You will be having your Delhi University login credentials, right? Please log in with that. Can I decrease the brightness? I can't see. Mouse pointer I can't see. This is projecting now. This is in live. Yes, good morning. Good morning. So please switch on the systems, and in Google please search DUE library for those who are newly come, and log in with your PG DADLM credentials. Is the screen is visible to you all? I think, yeah, it is not visible, right?
सर लॉगिन पासवर्ड हमारा अपना जो है वही करना है जो हमें दिया गया है.
See, the username and password is already given to you, right?
Yes sir.
So log in with that username and password. So it is with your official, it is with the private account, or you have some at sol-du, right? So you will be having at sol-du.ac.in. So if you log in with those credentials only, it will get logged in. If you do with your private account, the Gmail or Yahoo, it won't get logged in.
So please shift the student from this, and I connect again to this screen.
This
Because
screen,
this is
not visible.
This is not functioning.
Or you can connect my laptop.
Sir.
No, okay. Yes. That system? Okay, please wait.
Face, please, face.
Okay. So once you logged in, so all of you have logged in, right? Okay. So PG deadline. So the page what you are seeing is the Delhi University e-library web page. Okay, so this is the home page of a Delhi University e-library. So whatever resource you are going to access will be available here. The resource whatever it is subscribed by Delhi University will be available here, and through this only you are going to access all the resources. Okay, so first we will go to a Scopus database. So just type Scopus in that, Scopus in the text box. Okay, so when you type Scopus in the text box, you will having 15 search results. Okay, so there will be 15 search results, and at the topmost left corner you will be finding some option called filter by. So click on this filter by, and next to that there will be option called publisher. So if you choose the publisher, and you should select this Scopus. So first we are going to search a journal article in Scopus database. So in the search term, type Scopus and click search. Type Scopus here in keywords to search. Yeah, type Scopus. Sorry? Blib. Blib is not a PG DADLM. No, it has been shifted to that class, lab, statistics lab. Statistics lab. Yeah. So all of you here are PG DADLM students, right? PG DADLM. Okay. So once you logged in the search box, type Scopus. Yeah, search box. Yeah. Delhi University e-library, DU e-library, DU e-library. Yeah.
First one.
Now log in with your credentials, SOL credentials. You want this keyboard?
I just want
You are taking it out, or
this side.
he has brought already? So once you click on this Scopus, so the result shows us database Scopus, right? So this is the Scopus database. Click on read option. Just move your mouse pointer over Scopus and click read. Go top. Publisher. Click on publisher, Scopus. So once you logged in the search box, type Scopus, and from the result, what you have to choose at the leftmost top corner, you will be having a filter option called publisher. From that publisher, choose Scopus. Search DU e-library. DU e-library. Yeah, enter.
This one.
That's one. So the page what you are seeing is Scopus database home page. Okay. Click on read option. Read. So at the topmost left corner, you can see that brought to you by logged in into Delhi University library system. Okay. So when we are using our SOL credentials, it is showing us Delhi University library system. Okay. Click read option. Read. So next what we are going to do, we are going to see what are the features available in this Scopus database. Okay. I think all of you have opened this Scopus database homepage. So can I proceed or can I wait? Okay. So in the search box, you will be finding a text box called search document. So that is the place where you will be giving your search terms. Okay. For example, if someone is going to do a research on bibliometrics, so if you want to download any articles related to bibliometrics, you should type the search term as bibliometrics there. Okay. So for example, if anybody is searching with the search term library and information science. Okay. So it is a combination of three set of group characters, library and information science, 4 characters. Okay. So how the search term will consider as, so you might be learned about Boolean operators and or not. So those Boolean operators will get implemented in the search boxes. Okay. And also you can use different strings like double quotation, slash in the search boxes. So it will, what you will do, it will refine your searches. So first what we will do, we will see how a search term, we will give a search term, you can give on your own any search term, give enter option, then search how the results comes. Then we will go for an advanced search. Okay. Please give any search options there. You can go with bibliometrics, cytometrics or any kind of search terms in library and information science. You can see how the display results are there. Okay. So what I will do, I will go with bibliometrics now. Type your search term and give enter. Type Scopus here, Scopus. Search term, Scopus. Down, enter keywords. No, first you have to search. Click here. Okay. Click there. Type Scopus, SCOPUS. Give enter. And go to the publisher. Click publishers, click Scopus. So you can give any search term of your choice. You can give bibliometrics, cytometrics, library information science, or citation, or if you want to give any medical terms, you can give any arts term, you can give. Okay. So I have searched using a term called bibliometrics. So the total result what it displayed is 25,889. Okay. So this is the total number of documents indexed in Scopus for the search term bibliometrics. So on the left side, you can able to find some filter options. Okay. At the left side of the web page, you can find filter options. So in filter options, you can able to find the first column is subject area. So if you want to refine your search, if you want to make your search more specific, you can able to do it with your refine search. You can, at the left side, you can find subject areas, document type, language, keyword, etc. Search, click here. Type anything, bibliometrics, cytometrics, anything of your choice. So the left side, you can able to find the refined searches. You can refine your search. No, you have to first log in. You have not done login. Okay, now you search. Okay, fine. Maybe later. Okay, at the left hand side, you will be first option is subject area. So if you want to refine your search to a particular subject, if you are going to do a research on medicine, you can refine your search to medicine. If you are going to do a research on library information science, you can also refine your search to library information science. Okay, and next thing is if you want to refine your search based on the document type. So there are articles, books, review papers, conference paper, letters, book chapters, short survey, retracted papers, undefined papers. Okay. So
Just if I want to know about Scopus, details of Scopus.
see, Scopus is nothing but, she is asking what is Scopus. Okay, Scopus is nothing but a database. So basically, there is a difference between a journals and a database. In journals you will be having the list of articles. In database you will be having all the journals into it. Okay. So mainly Scopus, Web of Science are indexing and abstracting databases. where you will be having full text articles as well as indexing details as well, like citations, who is the author, affiliation, those kind of data, affiliation data, citations data also you can able to get in Scopus. Okay, fine. So there in document type you can able to find different type of document, articles, review paper, conference paper, editorial, letters, note. Okay, and at the last option you can find retracted papers. Okay, so do you mean what is mean by a retracted papers? In document type, at the left side, document type. Yeah, document type. Down. Just wait. Retracted papers. So in document type you can able to find retracted papers. Document type. Here, this is a list of documents. Okay, so the retracted papers are nothing but the research articles will be published, right? So once the research articles are published, and in future if some of the authors or some of the persons find that the published research paper is having any fault or the published result is of any fault, then they can raise a query on that paper, and those papers will be kept in retracted papers. Okay, so if you publish a paper last year and if I am being an evaluator, I found that paper is having some fault or some errors and the data has been stolen from my research, and if the data is being wrong, if the interpretation is being wrong, then I can report to the concerned Scopus database authors editorial board and I can explain them these are the issues with the paper, and that paper will be kept in the retracted papers. Okay, so those are called retracted papers. And also a paper is called unpublished paper. Okay, you can also find unpublished papers. So unpublished papers are nothing but journal articles which are not published but which has been submitted for review. Okay, so that also that kind of documents also you can able to find in the databases. And next, based upon the language. So some of the research articles might so most of the research articles will be published in English language. So if you want any research articles which is published in Chinese or any other languages, you can able to filter the options using languages, and also you can able to filter using the keywords. Okay, so in my search box I have given bibliometrics. So using bibliometrics as a search term, it has been the results has been displayed. So if you want some other search terms, so here the concept what is applied is ontology. So ontology is nothing but relations of words. So the some of the adjacent words or some of the connection words with bibliometrics will be displayed here. Based upon this also you can able to filter your searches.
So there is one more term is erratum.
Sorry? Erratum is like an abstract it will give you. I will just explain you in the next class. It, as far as I know, it's like a kind of abstract. Okay, so you can explore other filter options there, and some of the filter options like source type, country or territory, from which country or territory the research paper has been published. Okay. So for example, if you are going to do a bibliometric analysis of the research paper published in India, so in that case for literature reviews you will be taking the research papers which is published in India only. So for that case these refine options will be very useful for you. And also by funding sponsors, affiliation. So for example, if you want to make a bibliometric analysis on research paper published by Delhi University faculties, okay, so in that case affiliation will be useful to filter only the Delhi University faculty publications. So explore the left side column of refined terms, and if you have any queries please let me know. Try to explore the search option using different search terms. Okay, try with bibliometrics or try with non-LIS terms also, like any medicine terms, arts and science terms also, so that you will find different results. Okay. So, are you comfortable with this right now? Okay. So, the next is the left side of the search term. You can able to find search within article title, abstract, keywords. So, if you click on the drop down box, you can able to find authors, first author, second author, source title, article title, etc. Okay. So, the left side, what are the defined terms you had will be there in the drop down box at the top as well. So, I have searched the bibliometrics term using article title, abstract and keywords. So, it gives the result where the bibliometrics occurs in the title of the article. So, if any article with the title having bibliometrics, it will give us the result, and also in abstract and also in keywords. Okay. So, these are the different types of search techniques what you can do. And also if you want to search by a particular author. So, if you know a particular author, click on Scopus, search Scopus. Okay. So, if you want to search any research article which is published by a particular author, so in that case this option will be more useful for you. So, when we are speaking about databases, journals and all, there is a term called ISSN. So, do you know what is the ISSN? International Standard? Okay, so what does it mean? So, everyone knows the abbreviation. So, what does it mean, ISSN number, ISSN?
There is a number for book ISBN like.
So, for book what it is called?
Yes, sir. It's for serious publication.
Okay, so for books?
Sir, for book ISBN.
ISBN. So, what are the, how many digits are there in ISBN?
Sir, 13
13.
and ISSN 18. 8.
8 digits. So, ISBN and ISSN is nothing but it is a unique identification of each resource article or a resource paper. Okay. So, for ISBN it is like International Standard Bibliographic Number. So, what it does is it gives you a unique number. ISSN is nothing but International Standard Serial Number. Okay. So, for research article also, research journals also, you will be having ISSN number. So, for each research paper and for research journals, you will be having ISSN number, and all the research article will be published in a research journals. Okay. So, journals will be having ISSN number. So, it is of 8 digits. So, if you have any research journal of 8 digits number, if you want to search with that number also, there is an option called ISSN number. So, with that also you can able to refine your searches.
Where is that option?
You have to go to Scopus database first. Go to publisher,
Yes, sir.
down, in publisher. Search Scopus. Go to Scopus, read, click on read. Okay. So, search within, down, above, drop down, click there. So, at the bottom you will be having ISSN. So, along with that ISSN, you will be also having a term called DOI. Okay. So, do you mean what is DOI? Digital? DOII. Digital Object Identifier. So, what is DOI? Sorry?
It is also a unique ID for any
We can search from each particular
kind of
Okay. So, similar like ISSN ISBN number, DOI is for a particular research article. Okay. So, ISSN is for a particular journal and DOI is for a particular research article. So, it is unique for this, each article it is unique. Okay. So, it is like your control number or form number. It is unique for everyone. So, next what we will do after searching your search term.
So, what is funding number over there?
Sorry?
Funding number.
Funding agency, so any of your research projects will be funded by any of the research grants. Okay. So, like ISSR or this Rajaram Mohan Rai Library Foundation. So, those kind of funding agencies also you can able to find.
They give number.
Yeah. So next what we will see is how to download a research article and find what are the features inside a research article. Okay. So what you can do in Scopus database, search for a particular term and give your search, click on the search button. So it will display, yeah.
We will go to the search document.
Yeah, search documents. And search for a particular term and click on search option. You can give your own terms. So log in with your SOL ID, okay. Use tick mark, tick, continue. Okay, so click on type Scopus here, Scopus, SCOPUS, enter. What is publisher? Scopus. Go here, read. Okay. Yes.
When I have to search with these keywords,
Mhm.
I have to given the particular author name.
Yeah, you have to give your particular author, but your search term is bibliometrics.
Yeah.
No, I don't understand.
For one, we have when we want to search with the author, then we only just given the name author, not this one.
Not the search term.
Okay. Where I put the author name.
No, that is, see. See here, if you give by author, then you have to give author name only.
Okay.
So if you are going with the library information science, either you can choose all fields, so all field will comprise of all the elements.
Okay.
Or if you are going to be any specific terms, you can go with specific. So the next thing is try to download an article. Okay, so you might have given your own search term in Scopus text box in the search area and click on enter. So it will give some results, okay, some 10,000, 20,000 of the search articles. So what we will do is currently at the left side bottom you will be having an option called open access. At the result page, at the left side bottom you will be having an option called open access. At the last end, dead end. Okay. So in open access, you just click on limited to all open access. At the left side bottom, you will be having an option called open access. Left side bottom, you will be having an option, filter option called open access, and click on that open access and click all open access. Okay. So open access articles are nothing but the article which is available for free to download. Okay. And some of the articles will be of paid access and some of the articles will be of limited access, like you can able to view the abstract alone, or some of the articles you can able to download the full articles, that is for open access. And Delhi University might be subscribed to many number of journal articles. If we don't know what are the journal articles, so for that, to be in the safer side, we are going for open access articles. So open access articles are free for download. Okay. So click on that open access, all open access, and click on refine search. Limit to. Okay. So you will be getting a result of all those things. Click on the result option, either 1, 2 or 10, whatever you want. So when you click on the research article, it will navigate to the research page, that article page. Okay. Yes. What you have to do? Click this limit to. So after choosing all open access, you have to give limit to. So when you give limit to, the result page will get refined again. Okay. Now the results whatever you are seeing is only of articles which is of open access. And next what you have to do is there is an option called download, print, save to PDF. Okay, at the top side you can find download, print, save to PDF. So what you do, you click on save to PDF.
These are like interface is different like that.
Yeah.
So there is the option of PDF.
Click on the article. You have to click any article. Open any article down from the results.
We can see the abstracts also from here.
No, click any article. That
Yeah, acha.
bold thing is there, na? Right side, right side. Yeah, right. So when you click on save to PDF, a PDF file will get downloaded. Okay. So when you open that PDF file, you can able to find the citation detail of those journals or articles. So when you speak about a research article, basically there is a term called citations. Okay, and there's a term also called references. So references are most important thing in terms of research articles. So when you click on that export PDF, you will get a PDF file where you'll be having all the reference details. So the reference will start with the author name. If there's a single author, you'll be having a single author. If there are multiple authors, you'll be having 2 or 3 more authors. Right. Yes, that one. Click on any document, save to PDF. Save as PDF. Okay. So the author's name, usually it will be in cataloging format. Second name, comma,
Sir, I did
first name.
not arrange my like this, but it's showing that 23 only.
Sorry.
It's showing 23 articles only. All 23 articles, but I didn't arrange that.
It is going 968.
Yes.
Total there are 1082 articles. Okay, so it will display by the date newest, sort by newest.
Okay, sir.
Okay, the author's name usually will be written in the cataloging format of second name, comma, first name, and then you can find the title of the research article. Okay, followed by the year of publication and then the journal in which it is published. And also you will be finding a page number in which the article being published in a particular journal. Okay, so this entire thing is called a reference. So again go back to that research page, result page. See, this is actually with the Elsevier product.
Which product?
Elsevier publications.
Yes.
So here also you can able to find research articles, but this is mainly for statistical analysis. Okay, so next we will see what are the features available in a research paper. So after giving your search term and making your results, click on any single article, open any single article. Okay, so below the title you will be having the list of authors. So below the authors you will be having the affiliation of those authors, and below that you can find a term called view PDF. So there will be a title of the article. Below the title you will be finding the authors of the article. Below that you will be having the affiliations of the authors, and below that you will be finding the view PDF option. Okay, so click on that view PDF.
Sir, I want this green, gold, bronze, hybrid
See,
gold.
those are the terms where we will be having some kind of restrictions in those research articles. Okay, green is for open access, it is fully free. And gold and hybrid gold are some terms which they will be defining. So what I will do, I will explain this regarding the next class. Okay, so it is kind of a restriction for those research articles. You can able to find the abstract, you can able to find some few pages of the research article. Those kind of things are available. So when you click on view PDF, it will navigate to the research article of that page. Okay, and again there will be option called again view PDF. So if you click on view PDF, the entire research article will get opened. No, go down. Okay. Yes, view PDF. Open access. Can give to green. PDF. Okay, getting access. Okay. What is the search term you mentioned? Fundamental of
law.
Okay. So this one view PDF. Okay, this does not have access. Okay. Okay. So I hope everyone can follow up to this, right? Can everyone able to follow? Okay. So when you have taken a research article, okay,
Yes, sir.
so at the top you can able to find the journal of the article. At the top there is a journal of the article followed by the year of publication. Okay, and then you will be finding elsewhere. Elsewhere is nothing but the publisher, and then you can find the title of the article followed by the author name and the affiliations of the author. Okay, can you able to find? Okay, open any article. Open any article. Just only go to ProQuest. Wait.
Okay, sir, request का भी इसमें show है.
So what is the meaning of these terms? You have click on the term green, gold, bronze.
That was only green means we will be having all the articles for free. We can download all the articles for free. This gold, browns and all, there will be some kind of restrictions in those articles where you can able to find only the abstract or only some of the few pages of the article.
Subscription based.
Yeah, subscription based. So since we are going to open the entire article and explore on it, so that only I am choosing on green, so that we can able to download the entire article. Okay, so you can able to find the title of the article followed by the author and the affiliations of those authors, and also you can able to find a term called keywords. Okay, so you might remember when we search in this corpus database, we have mentioned bibliometrics or cytometrics. Okay, so those are termed as keywords. So the results will be displayed using these keywords alone. Okay, so these keywords also you can able to search using this, or also you can use the title of the article, and also you will be having a abstract. So abstract is nothing but a short write up of the entire article. Okay, so abstract is the short write up of the entire article, and then you can able to find the from chapter 1, from introduction to results, you can able to find up to the entire complete list of the articles. And I just explained about DOI. So DOI is nothing but digital object identifier. At the end of the paper, research paper, you can able to find DOI is mentioned there. Okay, so DOI is nothing but it is a unique identification number given for each research article. So any of you have published any research articles?
Sir, how many numbers we giving DOI? Like in
No, it is system defined.
8 numbers.
DOI is system defined. We are not giving anything.
Okay.
It is system defined, and it will be combination of characters and numbers.
Is it not fixed?
No, no, it is not fixed. See, this is the DOI.
Okay.
So any of you have published any research articles? Okay. So basically, when you are about to publish any research articles, okay, at the bottom of the page you can able to find received on 20th July 2022, but it is revised again on 2nd October and accepted in 2nd October and available online in 5th October. Okay. So when you submit an article to a journal, okay, so editorial board will make a review on that, and they will make some revision on that. So again they will send it to you, and if there is any correction they will send it to you. You have to revise the research article again, and based upon the revision, if it is acceptable to them, then they will accept the research paper. So once they accept the research paper, and it will go for publications. Okay, so those things will be also mentioned here. I have also seen some papers which has been revised for couple of years also, for 2 years, 3 years also it will be getting revised again and again. Okay, so if you are going to publish in any standard journals like Library High Tech, Library Herald, those are standard journals which are indexed in Scopus, you have to be more specific and more elaborative in whatever research you are going to do. Okay. And at the end of the research paper, you can able to find the references. Okay, so references mostly of different types based upon the research journals. References will vary from APA, Chicago, Harvard. Okay, so mostly all the research journals are published in APA style. Medical journals will be publishing in medical indexing. Medical indexing abstracting one reference style is there, so they will be making those references in there. Our library science professionals will be making references in APA style. American Psychological Association, okay, the latest edition, 7th edition. So most of them will be making references in those styles. American Psychological Association. So if you are going to publish any research article in different journals, first you have to make sure the references are those in that format. So if it is in that format only, they will accept the research article. Few journals will not accept these references, they will have their own referencing style. Okay, so in that case you should see how those references, previous research article references are made. So based upon that you have to make your research article references.
American Psychological
Association.
APSI.
APA.
APA. Okay, that is yes, citation.
So you try to explore few other research articles, and you can go Library Herald directly, you can go Library Herald, Library High Tech, or different research journals in library science. You can also go to that journals, you can search any keywords, try to download, and if you have any issues, yes.
There is an option create when we save this Zotero, Mendeley, what is that purpose? Like export.
That is for reference. I will tell you. That is for metrics is for how many the
People have cited.
cited the paper. So it will be useful for making citation analysis paper. So like bibliometrics and all you are doing research. So in that thing you will be having citation count. So citations is an important factor in bibliometric analysis research.
Citation means how many people can
Cited, have cited your research articles.
cited is something different and give reference.
Both are same.
Both are same.
See, obviously when you are going to reference this, whenever you cite a paper, you are going to give a reference. So it is simultaneously connected now. So for example, if I am going to refer my article and you are in your research paper, you are going to cite my paper. So it is citation. So when you take any concept or content from my research paper, obviously you are going to cite that paper. You have to give credibility to me that you have cited, you have made reference to my paper. That is called references. And if you are making those references, it is called citations. So try to explore some other research articles and download in PDF file. So some of the research articles will be available in HTML format also. Okay, it won't be available in PDF file. It will be available in HTML format also. That also you can explore. Please write your name and register number in this. You will get your attendance sheet, right? But till now I have not got attendance sheet. Try to explore with the different search terms like ISSN number, affiliation, funding agencies, authors, title, keywords, abstract. So if it is fine, then we will move on to the next section. She was asking a question related to references. Okay, so what is how? So there is an option called export these references to an external software called Zotero, Mendeley.
Explain again about funding number.
See, funding number is nothing but some of the research projects will be funded by some research agencies like ICSSR, Rajaram Mohan Rai Library Foundations. Okay. So first we have to find what is the funding agency number for that research agency. So using that you have to search. You have to Google it. You find what is the funding agency number for that.
उसके लिए तो फंडिंग स्पॉन्सर्स का यूज डायरेक्ट करके कर सकता है.
You can search by that also.
Why can we go for first Google, when they'll find funding number, they'll
See, there are multiple ways for searching an article. Okay, so you will be comfortable with the sponsor name. Some will be comfortable with the sponsoring number. So it will be easy for them. So they have provided many options for that. Whichever is comfortable for you, you can make a search. So she was asking a question regarding the references style, okay, and how to export these references to Zotero, Mendeley, and EndNote. So those are called referencing softwares, okay, reference manager softwares. So do you know what actually it does? reference manager software? Creation of references. Okay, so reference manager softwares are nothing but will create your references, okay, on your behalf. So it does not rely only upon API style, it has many different styles also, like Harvard, Chicago, many styles, whatever you want, you can make use of it and you can make this. Sorry? Yeah, everything. Whatever reference style is available, it will manage all those references, okay. So I have personal experience with Zotero and Mendeley, so I can explain you that. So in Zotero, what you have to do, you have to just export that article. Zotero is for free. And in Mendeley, you have to create an account. Okay, so and you have to create an account, and Mendeley you can use it in like a cloud basis also. But in Zotero, you cannot use it in cloud. You have to install the software in your lap or desktop, then you have to use it. So at the result page, when you click on the research article, okay, after clicking on the research article in the result page in Scopus, you can able to find an option called export. Go to the result page of Scopus. Down. Export. Okay, so when you click on that export option, you will be having some option called CSV, RIS, BibTeX, plain text, and then you will have reference managers as Mendeley, Zotero, and EndNote. Okay, so CSV is nothing but comma separated variable. Like an Excel sheet, the CSV file will be there where your references will be downloaded in CSV format. Okay, and RIS format, BibTeX, plain text. So these are different file formats where your references will get downloaded. Yeah, it is similar kind of file formats only. CSV is like Excel file format. BibTeX, RIS, plain text is like a notepad. So these things what you can do, you can export into your reference manager softwares. And also you will have reference managers as Mendeley, Zotero, EndNote. So whenever you click on that, the extension will get downloaded in that format, and you can directly import those extensions into your reference manager softwares. Okay. EndNote also you have to create an account for that. Zotero is you can use without an account. It's non-cloud based, but Mendeley and EndNote is like a cloud based account. So, and the next thing is in the result page of Scopus, okay, we have already seen how to filter the result options, and we have seen how to export the citations. And next we will see at the right side corner you might be seeing sort by option is there. Sort by. At the right side you can able to find sort by. So in sort by you will be having options like date newest, date oldest, cited by relevance, first author, source title.
So can you just give us example how to do in Zotero like this
See,
reference grade?
if you click on CSV,
Yes.
it will export the file in CSV file format.
Where is this?
Please try again. There is some error with the page. So you can click export
Or can be other.
CSV.
आगे सर आप ही हैं क्या
Sorry.
यहाँ पे आप ही पढ़ा रहे हैं ग्रुप ऐप
Classes. PG deadline classes.
ओके एक्चुअली दिस इज माय नेम विकास कुमार एंड फर्स्ट टाइम तो ग्रुप ऐप ने बताया
BLS.
हाँ यस
BLS is there.
दिस है बट ये
Tab 2.
दिस ग्रुप ऐप इज नियर बाय यू
No, here it is for PG deadline classes.
ओके
BLS class is there. Room number 2, lab 2. So do you have any queries till now? So in the sort by option, you can able to find sort by date newest, sort by date oldest, and then cited by highest and cited by lowest. Okay. So you can also refine your searches based upon that. So here the CSV file got downloaded. Okay, Scopus.
Open.
So this is the CSV file.
So but this maybe it's just not showing anything.
No, here you can find. Okay, this is the author, and this is the author full name, author ID, Scopus ID. This is the title of the journal article and the year of publication, scientific
Only this
reports.
thing will
This is the
show
references.
references only.
Okay, so this is a CSV file. If you want to download this in the other format also, you can download.
Thank you, sir.
So if you click on this Zotero, if you give export, it will download in Zotero format. Okay, .ris is the Zotero format. You have to import this file into Zotero. Yes.
मुझे पीजी DADLM वो फर्स्ट टाइम इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ है एसक्यूएल में तो सर व्हाट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस विल बी आस्क्ड इन द प्रैक्टिकल लाइक जैसे आप जो बता रहे हो वो तो ओके
See, whatever we are teaching in these practical sessions will be you will be asked to download a research article, or we will give you a research article and we will say to mention those things in the paper, or we will say you to go to the Scopus database, go to this particular journal, download this particular, go to this particular volume number and issue number, download that.
क्वेश्चंस विल बी आस्क्ड
Not indirect, it will be direct questions only. No indirect questions.
Whatever you are teaching us and you
Yeah, whatever we are explaining here will be asked in the exams. Okay, please fill this.
सर सर इस पे तो हो गया हमने कर लिया सर देयर इज अ इंडेक्स लाइक 2001
See, H index is nothing but the author's index. So it will show you the citation count only. So this shows that the citation is getting increased year by year. Yeah. Yeah.
but documentation H index 35 what it means
See, in H index you will be having certain formula. So this is the number of citations, and H index is based upon a formula. Okay, so you can able to explore that formula also there.
so we can H index or this is for author index
Yeah, author
like,
index, publication, authors, everything. H index, G index you will be having.
yeah but how we most reliable that we have to rely that this data is this index is okay that one is what
See, these are official databases only. You can rely on Scopus and Web of Science. Some of the predatory journals also are there. Okay, so those journals will not get indexed here. Even UGC has recommended to publish journals which are indexed in Scopus. Web of Science also they have not included, but Scopus they have been included. So these are official databases where authentic information will be available.
index is for the author productivity only
Yeah.
someone is the author productivity also the quality of the journal
Yes. You want to do research on that?
no sir I just read about that so that's why I just explore my question
Okay. So the Scopus database you can fully rely upon. All the citations and all the affiliations, whatever is given, it's fully fair, reliable. And also even in Scopus, you'll be having Scopus author ID also. So for each author, they are creating an individual ID. So that ID is more authenticate. So authenticate persons only will get published here in Scopus. Please fill this.
EID number क्या है?
It's an enrollment identifier or what?
Electronics, and this is electronic format of dissertation, I think. EID number. I will just explore and come back. Yeah, coming. So EID is Scopus identifier. Okay, Scopus identifier like DOI, same.
DO and EID is same.
No. EID is for Scopus, and DOI is for each research article published. This is for references, na?
After EID.
EID, when we quote EID, then it will create it. It has been created.
Yeah, EID, what they have mentioned is it is for Scopus database alone, individual identifiers for Scopus. You can just Google it, EID, what is showing. Just I made a Google there because I was not aware of that EID. No, EID in Scopus, you can just mention. So electronic identifier, okay. So it is specifically only for Scopus database. So please fill your attendance. Yes. Sorry?
Social sciences,
Mhm.
library sciences.
Okay.
We only want to see the article whatever is published in my field in library sciences.
So if the subject is indexed here, you can able to click on that. If it is not indexed, then you have to make your own search alone.
It means that the
Library science is not
indexed
yeah, it is
here.
not indexed here.
Okay.
Or you can go to some refined search here. Wait.
So whatever we have query, we can call you for asking
Calling is fine.
messages.
Uh,
I know you have also personal life.
no, not personal, but due to this research projects, we are getting lot of calls and messages from masters and bachelors. Because bachelor students is around 1,000 students, so we have to handle everyone. Subjects, where is subject here?
Ye subject areas.
Subject area in health science,
We are coming in social science.
medicine, all health sciences.
So social sciences.
No, we will explore everything because in some it will be indexed in social sciences, some will be in arts and science also. So whatever you click here, it will come here automatically, all the subject areas. So either you can select this social science, all social sciences, and you can make the search. So this also I need to explain, but it's already time. We'll do it in the next class. So please fill your form, fill your attendance sheet. So whatever is taught today, are you clear on that? So can you able to understand, follow? Yes.
The PDF that is not in a PDF form, HTML, how we can explain it?
You have to just save the file. Have you searched any HTML file?
Just give me one example.
Application, document type. Here. Text.
that document is is only available in not PDF form.
No,
Only
it is available in HTML also. I don't know why it is not coming here because we used to do with HTML mode.
can you search on your or maybe in your system?
Or also you can search with the Procus database once. Procus database also you can able to find some HTML files.
Procus.
Yeah.
Okay.
To HTML article. I think currently they have removed the HTML format. Maybe only PDF option is there.
See, there is no option. This article is only available in PDF,
PDF
form.
format.
That's why we are
Or
not
what you
access.
can do, you can just refine your search to older years, maybe around 2002 like that year, and find whether HTML is available or not. So you can able to understand, right, whatever is taught today? Okay. So then we will wind up the session for today.
Sir, in next class, but
In next class,
yes,
sorry,
what is supposed to teach us in next class?
next class I will be in continuation with that for Web of Science database also I will explain you, and then I will be explaining about text that article mapping, research mapping, article mapping.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Kindly log out from your
Yes, sir.
e-library, okay?
Log out.
Kindly log out from your e-library session.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.